Check this out, guys. We're out here helping a contractor lay down a custom logo. They did a bunch of concrete overlay in this house. So they did the garage floor, countertops, and walls. All concrete overlay. Super custom, super cool. I'm gonna go show you a little sneak peek of it. All right, so first things first, massive concrete overlay wall, stained, sealed with our matte urethane. So it just gives it that natural concrete look. Not gonna stain, extremely durable. And this is right over just a sheetrock wall. Nothing special to it, just fill the seams. Cantilevered edge, bench, totally custom, about 12 foot tall. Absolutely beautiful fireplace. And then over here we got the concrete countertop right over wood. Looks like poured concrete, but it's actually not. It's just our concrete overlay counter kit applied directly over wood. Undermount sink. They're putting the faucets in now. We'll save this for last. I'll show you what's going on there. But back here we got concrete overlay, sink, bathroom. Again, looks like poured concrete, super custom, super easy to apply, and it's right over wood. So absolutely amazing. And all these countertops have our matte urethane on them. Gives it that really custom natural finish. And then here's the last one. They're just absolutely beautiful. Look like natural cement without all the added weight, all the work of pouring, all the rebar, none of that. Simply build your tops, put our concrete overlay counter kits on them, and you'll have a concrete top. But check that wall out. Black trim just really sets that off. Super, super cool. So out here, custom garage flooring going down, and Tim's showing them how to do the decal right now. This is the first part of the decal, and then this is the second part that's gonna be going down. So tile pattern inside, and then all these borders are gonna get red wood grain with black grout lines. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful, and I'll show you guys when everything's done in here what it looks like. But they just killed it on the tile, and then obviously the logo is gonna be cool. So yeah, that's it, guys. A little sneak peek for you, and again, I'll come back and show you guys a little walkthrough when everything's done. Let's go check out on the warehouse, guys. See what's popping off today. Clint, what's going on? Looks like we got a lot of orders going out today, huh? Tell me about it. What do we got here? Countertop kits like crazy. Okay. Little floor kit. We got pallets going out today?
Couple.
What do we got in these little boxes?
Urethanes, primers.
Urethanes, primers, counter kits like crazy. We got a bunch of Leggari arts going out. Here's another smaller floor kit. And then, yeah, looks like we got some pallets at the back door. What's going on, everybody? I got a real doozy here for you. So I'll kind of explain the situation. Contractor was hired. They were gonna use Leggari products on a floor. Thought they could save money by going with a different company. Come to find out, their floor kits don't include primers, top coats, and it goes down almost, our products go down basically twice as thick as that product. So in the long run, we were actually cheaper when they found out they didn't have all these other products, and the product went on a lot thinner, and it was just a crap show. So everything that could have gone wrong basically went wrong, and I'm gonna walk you in here and show you. Make sure you subscribe. You're not gonna wanna miss this video, because we're gonna go start to finish from primer, epoxy, the design. Each step's gonna be broken down. Full tutorial for you guys. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll kinda go show you a little walkthrough of what I'm talking about here. So here we go. All right, so they got the mixing station set up. Getting ready to mix up the primer. Plastics down. Trying to keep a nice, clean area. Got cardboard here, walking in the house so we're not getting any product anywhere. And then here's the floor. I'll do it just a quick walkthrough. So you can see it's only been down a few months, already turning yellow in spots, ambering. bubbles all over the place. It's just not a good install, and he had to wound up buying, had to buy a primer, tried to patch some spots that didn't turn out, had to reprime those. Just about everything that could have gone wrong did. You can see all these bubbles that we had to sand down all over the place. And again, that's what'll happen. Guys will assume every floor kit's the same from every company, and they're not. So you can expect primers with ours, epoxy, metallics, top coats, pretty much the whole deal. And then if you guys are ever checking out prices, always look at how much resin you're getting. Our product goes down at 45 square foot a gallon, where this company's product goes down at like 70 square foot a gallon. So you're getting way more product with ours, and a top coat and a primer. So theoretically, other companies aren't more expensive when you add everything up and figure out how much product you're actually putting on the floor. But as you can see, I mean, if this is kind of looks decent, but that's really about it. I mean, there's just so many things. We got soft spots here we had to grind down, sanded the whole floor, 80 grit sandpaper. We grinded all the edges because the sheetrock edges didn't get clean good. There was chunks all over these edges, went around, grinded them all smooth, grinded spots that were not stuck good. Here's a little Leggari tip for you guys. We got the slab here and then the foundation, right? A lot of times you'll see where the slab meets to the foundation, there'll be a crack or a gap there. We just take paintable latex caulking and fill that in. Now, it doesn't need to be structurally sound, because all we're trying to do is minimize or keep resin from falling in that joint and losing it. The trim, once the trim's up, it's gonna cover, and I'll kind of show you, right? Trim goes up, it'll cover all this anyways, but we wanna minimize anything falling in there, losing resin, and also it keeps bugs from coming out into people's houses as well. A lot of bugs will crawl up through those gaps. So, little Leggari tip, paintable latex caulking in there before you prime. Usually the night before, do it so it's dry. So we did that anywhere that the foundation met the actual interior slab. It's gonna look really cool when we're done. So we're gonna be doing silver base, black highlight, squeegee technique. We're gonna show you the full process, start to finish, from primer, epoxy, the design, and then also our gloss urethane top coat. So you guys aren't gonna wanna miss this. Make sure you subscribe. Video will be posting soon. You got Justin out here helping FedEx load up because he's a baller. Hey Justin, say hi. Hey, good job, man. Teamwork. Check this out, guys. Did some samples of our standard countertop kits. This is kit number 4. If you guys like this look, go to the website, order kit number 4. You get the same exact look. Right here, we got kit number 12. If you like this, go to the website, get kit number 12. If you want to just buy single items for whatever project you have going on, go to our website, leggari.com, click store, and you can buy any item that you want. Turned out beautiful though. Super cool veining. And again, guys, these kits are designed to get the same exact look every time. When you need a job done right, you call Waldo. I'm gonna show you guys our top coat options. So this board has all of our top coat options. We'll start over here on the right. So this is just standard epoxy where we did our metallic colors in the design. This section here is our glaze coat. So you can see the edge, it's a lip there. So this is the glaze coat, lays out glass smooth, adds a lot of depth to the countertops. This one right here is our gloss urethane. It does have a minor texture, but that texture adds a lot of scratch resistance to it. And then for extreme durability and scratch resistant, we have the grit additive that you can add to the urethanes, and it just makes them wear extremely well. This one right here is our matte urethane. It does lay out flat and smooth, so it doesn't have any texture to it. Really, really popular, really, really cool look. And then this is our matte urethane with the grit additive as well. So again, you want extreme durability, scratch resistance, you can add that grit. Justin's over here finishing up some countertop kits. Packaged right. These guys right here will save you thousands of dollars on your countertops. And you can create natural looks that mimic stone. Never assume all epoxy is the same, guys. As you can tell, this one didn't turn out the greatest. Now granted, we weren't here. We don't know the full story, you know, what he dealt with installing it. But I can tell you this, you can't buy our resins anywhere else in the world. It's a proprietary product. It's designed for extended working times, self-marbleizing, bubbles that pop themselves, extremely easy to apply, whether you're a first-time user or a trained contractor that's been doing it for years. Doesn't matter, you're gonna have a successful install every time. Here's a quick little peek of a Leggari Stone Kit sample board. Check this one out, guys. Video is gonna be launching soon. Full tutorial on how to coat your garage floors from start to finish. So this is black base, silver highlights, and then we did our matte urethane with the grit additive for extreme durability, extreme scratch resistant, and this thing turned out perfect. Super cool with the white wall. So we're just kind of going around, pulling the tape, landing over here, pulling tape, cleaning everything up, and then we'll do some final footage. But subscribe, make sure you guys don't miss this video. It's gonna be awesome. All right, guys, you leave on a Friday, you come back on a Monday, and these are the countertop kits that gotta go out the door. Gonna be shipped to their new home, gonna be transforming surfaces in no time. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how durable and scratch resistant our urethane top coats are, especially when you add the grit additive. So I got a metal key here, and we're gonna try to scratch the surface. And you can hear I'm pressing hard. It's doing nothing. So we're filing that metal key down. See if I can get this thing to focus. There you go, you can see how shiny it is. Nothing left. No scratches, nothing. So this is our gloss urethane with the grit additive, and then this is our matte urethane with the grit additive, and I'll try to do the same thing here. So looks like it scratched it. Again, we're just shaving metal off this key. Wipe that off. Nothing there. And I'll even get at different angles. So you can see there's not a scratch on it. Now this doesn't mean this is scratch proof, obviously, but being able to file a metal key down, that's pretty impressive for a top coat. Not only do we have the best products on the market, when you guys order a countertop kit, you're also gonna get a lifetime warranty. Covers delamination, chipping, cracking, wearing off the existing surface. Leggari.com. I wanna show you guys how easy it is to clean up large areas of floor. So this is our overlay, has our gloss urethane with the grit additive. So this would be same thing with epoxies, concrete overlays, anything that has our urethanes on them. You're gonna see how easy it is to clean large areas. Kind of see I did one pass here, and we're using a walk behind floor cleaner known as an auto scrubber. I got the red pads, super aggressive red pads, and it's gonna put water down and vacuum it up with the squeegee as we go. It'll make this floor look brand new. So you can see the difference, dirty, dusty to brand new. Awesome machine, and this is for obviously large areas you're trying to clean, keep clean. And again, this is our gloss urethane with the grit additive, industrial grade top coat. It's extremely easy to apply. All right, so I showed you guys the overlays, and I'm gonna show you epoxy. Same machine, same red pads, super abrasive, and we're gonna run over these floors. Most of these floors have our urethane on them, either with gloss or matte or even the grit additive. So I'll run a pass down the middle, and you'll see how brand new it makes these floors look. There you have it. Perfectly clean and looks brand new again. So fastest way to clean large areas, and that just shows you how durable our urethane top coats are. Running a heavy duty scrubber pad over it shines them right back up, makes them look brand new. Look at all these small epoxy kits going out the door today. They are obviously extremely popular, and they'll be arriving in their new home within 2 days. Leggari.com. From the packaging table to the box to your door. It's that simple. Hey, how many boxes are you putting in there?
62.
62? Oh yeah.